Hello everyone. Welcome back to Universitario Conversa. Today we're going to explore Moshi AI, a powerful artificial intelligence tool designed to help you practice your English in real-life conversations and many more tools too. In today's video, we'll have a look at Moshi AI tool that reacts to the tone of your voice, which makes conversations feel natural and engaging. Moshi helps you to have smooth and lively dialogues, perfect for practicing your speaking and listening skills. Plus, Moshi can handle PDF files, summarize web pages, helps you to check your grammar in emails, and many more tools. It is amazing, isn't it? Let's see the steps to use it. First, access the official Moshi AI website. Download and install the plugin. Configure the Moshi AI tools to English. Use a real-life situation prompt. And start speaking with Moshi. Let's do it with a video so you understand better. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Alright. The first step is to access the website. In Google, type Moshi AI Advanced and click on Moshi AI by Qt. The next one is to click on the Text Start Free Trial. Then, add Monica AI plugin to Google Chrome and wait until it is installed. Close the window and click on the link that says Talk to Moshi AI. A new floating chatbot will appear to your right. Click on Configuration and change the tools into English and the appearance if you want. Type your real-life situation prompt. In this conversation, it is at the restaurant. Prompts are essential for directing the AI's behavior and ensuring that the output is aligned with the user's expectations. Click on the icon Speak so you can hear Moshi.
Of course. Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. How many are in your party tonight? Can I get you started with something to drink?
And finally, click on Microphone to speak.
Great choice. Would you like a regular soda or a diet one?
Good job, students. Let us watch the next video carefully so you can see and listen a real-life situation with Moshi AI in a class at Universitario Conversa.
I'm Monica, your lawyer. Can you tell me more about the issues you're facing with your husband?
I want to divorce him.
Understood. It's important to know your rights and options. Are there any specific concerns you have regarding assets, custody, or support?
He needs the custody of our children, but he doesn't want to.
Document everything. Keep records of your interactions with your husband about custody.
Thank you, Monica.
You're very welcome.
Thanks for watching our video. We hope the tips on using Moshi AI to improve your English communication in real life were helpful. Please give it a thumbs up in YouTube and share it with your classmates who will find it useful as well. Your support helps others discover valuable resources for improving their English. Thanks for watching, and keep up the great work with your English at Universitario Conversa.